right, here we go again with another how-to guide on looking up providers on your Medicare plan. Next, we're going to be going over Alignment Healthcare's Medicare provider list. So, as always, I'm just starting with Google, typing in Alignment Medicare. Let's give it a little search. AlignmentHealthPlans.com, that's where we want to go. So, as we wait on this website to open, right across the top, we've got all kind of easy to find tabs. So right here we got find care. Let's go right to doctors. We can also look up drugs, pharmacy, hospital, and care centers. But let's look up doctors. Now, alignment's not available in a ton of areas, so it's likely, depending on where you're looking this up, and you may not find providers in your area. So let's just look up doctors. We're going to start here with coverage type. So let's look up primary care doctors. We're going to start here. From here, we could also look up allergy, addiction medicine, cardiology, all your specialists. We could plug them in right here, or we could switch over if we're looking up for one of these other specialties or facilities. So coverage year, I like to select the coverage year. Here's where I'm going to put in our zip code. I would make sure you click on the drop down or else it's not going to find it. Now we're going to click on the plan that we choose. So let's see, I'm going to use the Smart HMO just for educational purposes here. Medical group, I always select this. It says optional, but I always select it. There's only one option on the drop down and hit search. Now, if I want to search a particular provider's name, I'm going to search here. But I have already selected primary care providers. So I'm going to just hit search. And then it gives me a filter option. And then here's all the doctors within a 30-mile radius. We got 343 primary care doctors in a 30-mile radius. So let's just look here at Sherry Coombs. We've got a little bit of details about her provider number, NPI number. Can see what groups she's associated with and their provider ID number. This is what I put on an application. And then we can also see locations. So they have multiple locations for this particular group. Let's look at another one. Alberto, again, these only have one location. This one has 2 locations. They're with St. Vincent Primary Care Group. So then, of course, we can search multiple pages. Let's say I want to find, let's say I was going to search for Dr. Coombs. Anyways, I would just type in her name, COMBS, search provider, and then one provider, here she is. Now let's say I want to eliminate her. I'm going to delete that name and hit search again. It's going to give me my other providers here, but now maybe I want to sort. Maybe I want virtual visits or a language spoken. Looks like we're not able to sort by language at this time. Let's see if we can search by gender. Can search by gender and sort by female versus male. And that's kind of how we do for our providers. But let's say we want to find a facility. I don't want to do dental at this time. So let's say I want to search urgent care facilities. Again, the same kind of criteria. I'm going to do my search. Plan options, Smart HMO, just go into the same system and hit search. And here we go. We got St. Vincent's, we got Care Now, Jacksonville Care Now, Current Care. I'm not seeing a map option, but I can print. And then we can see obviously the group, and the location information is able to be found there. So they're part of Concentra Urgent Care. So that's how we search care providers on your Alignment Health Plan care providers. My name is Jake Purvis. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm always here to help, and I look forward to working with you in the future.